hope you all are doing good. In my last video I showed you how to make raw banana cutlet. Many of you personally made it and thanked me. Thank you so much for coming back and letting me know. Today I'm so excited to bring this yummy, healthy, savory baked oats. I've included simple ingredients with colorful veggies. This can be a delightful, healthy breakfast option for you. If you're bored with sweet oatmeal and if you don't like that slimy texture, this dish is for you. This is great for busy moms who are looking to make a healthy meal and great for growing kids. You're going to love it, so let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this I'm using Ramekin, which can easily be used in the air fryer. Sprouted rolled oats, which is gluten free, and I bought it from Costco. You may use any kind of oats that you have at home. Sprouted rolled oats are slightly higher in magnesium, protein and GABA. The germination process in the sprouted oats breaks down the phytate, so your stomach can produce the digestive enzymes to easily digest. I grind the sprouted rolled oats and keep it in my pantry to prepare a variety of dishes. I find it more tasty and not slimy this way. I'm also using almond flour for protein and nutty flavor. I'm using 1 tomato, 1 red onion and 1 large yellow capsicum. Now let's preheat the air fryer. Then in a mixing bowl add 1 cup of ground oats and 3/4 cup of almond flour. In goes chopped onion. I'm using red onion. You may use white. In goes yellow capsicum and tomato. Save some for later to garnish. Now add chopped cilantro. To this 1 teaspoon cumin powder, which helps for digestion, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon kala namak or black salt, then ground black pepper powder according to your taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon olive oil. This helps to keep it moist and not get too dry. To this add 1/4 cup coconut milk. This is going to enhance the flavor. I'm adding 3/4 cup water. You can add half cup water first and then add the rest if needed. Mix everything well. Keep it aside for 2 minutes. Grease the ramekin well so that the batter doesn't stick to the bottom. Carefully add the batter in until it reaches 3/4 cup. Remember, we saved some peppers for later use. This is when we'll be using it. Top it up with chopped peppers. Wow, this is so colorful. I'm so excited already seeing the colors. Add chopped coriander. This will bring out more flavor. Look how gorgeous these look. Ready to be air fried. Carefully place each ramekin inside the air fryer. It's going to be a little heavy. Carefully close the lid when you do so. Okay. Now let's air fry for 10 minutes at 350 degree Fahrenheit. Now let's check. Wow, these look so pretty. You may check with a toothpick to see if they are cooking well to get an idea. Yeah, it looks good. Now let's air fry for another 8 to 10 minutes at 350 degree Fahrenheit. Each air fryer varies with the temperature, so set it according to your liking. Now let's see. Oh wow, this looks absolutely delicious. I'm going to plate it in style. Make sure each ramekin is cooled down really well. This step is important. Only then you'll be able to flip it. Look how beautifully it comes out. Now turn it and plate it in style. I love to use some hot sauce. Drizzle it all around the plate to kick in some extra flavor. I poured lychee juice for myself and oranges for a healthy breakfast. You may eat it straight from Ramekin or serve it in style in a plate. Food styling is an art by itself. Hope you enjoyed the style. This is moist and not slimy. The texture is perfect and super yummy. So good. Yum. I'm just loving it. This is so yummy. You saw how gorgeous this dish turned out. I'm so pleased with it. We have been told to have more fiber, more protein, more veggies, right? And this savory baked oats has all of that, and the best part is super tasty. You can serve it as an individual casserole with ramekin itself, or serve it in style like a cake. You can flip it over in the plate and then have it with spicy chutney or spicy sauce. That's how I enjoyed it. Also check my oats vegetable cutlet. You will love it. The link is in the description below, so do check that as well. If you're on Facebook or Instagram, do follow me. I post easy healthy recipes every day for lunch or dinner ideas. If you're looking for that, with same name, Shine with Shobs, you can find me there as well. Stay tuned for more exciting recipe, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.